Guys, and welcome back to my vlog channel. And it is Sunday, and I actually don't know what time it is. Let's check. Okay, it's 9:09, and I'm going out to breakfast today, which of course I'm going to bring you guys, of course. And our plans kind of changed because it's a really poopy day outside. Camera focus. It's raining, you may not be able to see, but it started to sprinkle a little, so, and our plans were to be outside, so we might actually not do that anymore, so we might change our plans. So yeah, I have my hair and makeup done, and now I'm just trying to pick out my outfit, and of course I'm watching Netflix as usual. So we're going to Sam's on the harbor. So, ow. And you did not see a punch buggy, he just likes to punch me.
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah, there is one that goes over there, but I thought it was
now
white.
Watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.
So we are at the docks, and we are actually waiting for, because it's kind of a 20-minute wait for breakfast. So yeah, finished eating, and it was delicious. We're in the Sings. Can't stop saying that word. Now we're getting into the car to go. Where are we going? I don't know. We don't know. And I have to brush my hair because it looks really frizzy. So yeah. So we just had to stop at Tedeschi's to get some drinks. And since the weather is doing pretty good, it is a little foggy and really cloudy, but we don't think it's gonna rain. So basically we're gonna go to this event where there is like, I don't know how to explain this, but it's like there's a bunch of things that are happening and it's really cool. So there's games you can play and stuff, so we're probably gonna go to that. But if it does start raining, then we're probably going to do something else indoors. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we are here. There's a bunch of events happening and a lot of people. Now we're just looking for PJ. So there's a train. Now, well, it looks like we're just gonna ask him where he is. So
There's an ambulance. You want to go look in the ambulance? Well, hey guys, this is Grace and Officer Kelly, and she's on the bike.
Want the lights on?
And that's what we're doing today.
We're vlogging the thumbnail.
We're vlogging. This will be her thumbnail. Love ya. See you later. Hey guys.
We're vlogging. That's Jaden.
And it's really fun.
that's
here.
Officer Kelly
Yes.
and Auntie Allison.
What up?
Is that all you wanted?
All right.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Okay guys, so we're about to go to this canine thing. There's Auntie. She's very happy to be in my vlog. And there's a clown.
Why did you say hi to this clown?
Just so you know,
Hi to the bear.
just so you know, I'm scared of clowns. I'm not the biggest fan. I don't like clowns.
I had one of those.
There's a bear.
Moment. Go pet it. Girl. Go pet it.
I don't want to pet it.
Go pet it.
Okay, anyway, we're going to a canine thing.
Wait, it's an old lady. It is. I saw her.
Oh my god, it is.
Go say hi to Smokey.
So we're about to go to a canine thing where basically the canine dog is going to bite people
Oh, that was
and like
hilarious.
sip out drugs and stuff apparently. Not really sure what's happening.
Oh,
But-
just like this.
Yeah, we're having fun.
All right, they're doing it.
Okay, you ready? We're ready for this? No, I feel like it's gonna hurt me. There it is.
Oh my god, that thing looks vicious.
Oh my god, that looks so scary.
That looks vicious, Grace.
walk towards me. Walk towards me. No way.
No way.
All right, come on over here. Over here. Walk over back. Walk towards me.
Really? Or just kidding?
No, he's not going to let go no matter what I do.
Yikes. So how do you get him to let go?
Can you see Jaden?
Yeah, I can come in. Give a command.
What's he doing, Joseph?
Now, to let him off, I have to physically remove him. Okay, he's not going to let go of anything. What I have to do is cut off his hair.
Ouch.
Cut off his hair.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Say.
They have to like strangle him to get him to let go.
That's so cool.
Man.
Oh my god.
Cut off his hair. Basically has to choke him.
It's his job.
Okay, sit down.
This is different. This one, like, they pulled the dog out of the car, so this is cool.
Here we go.
It's the Batman. It's the bad guy. It's the bad guy. It's the bad guy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Dog.
The man with the suit?
Oh my god.
I thought he was going to pull him out like on your wrist.
Look at that.
Reel him in like a fish. If they die, I think if their bones broken like that. I thought it was just
Cool. The dogs were cool. What is that? Okay. And then we got slushies, which were really good. So yeah, the dogs were super cool, and I'm gonna insert the video feeds. So
Where is he? I don't know. There's so many people.
it's like literally playing in bubbles.
There's Jaden. Come here. Stop, Jaden. Stop. Don't move. Come here.
I'm not gonna go like this is a new shirt.
Alright, stay there. Don't move. You look like Santa Claus. Hold on, don't move. Stay there.
What?
I love it.